We respectfully invite Mr. Tarek Sendi from Team CYMRU to share insight on Unwanted Traffic Removal Service. Hi, Mr. Tarek Sendi.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Tarek Sendi. Okay. Okay, you can start now.
Okay, good. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much to Myanmar Network Operator Group for making this possible. My name is Tarek Sendi. I have been with Team Camry for more than 7 years, and today I want to talk about one of our community service offering, as we call it ETRS. And here we have the agenda today. I will do introduction, and after that, who is Team Camry. I will do an overview about our community service, and after that, we'll go in depth related ETRS, our DDoS mitigation service. But before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Tarek Sendi. I'm based in Tunisia, North Africa. I used to work for the National CERT for more than 10 years, and after that, I moved to Team Camry as a security evangelist, and my main role in Team Camry is to connect with people and help them to secure their network and make internet safe for everyone. I hope that the translation is correct. Okay, here we'll speak about Team Camry. Team Camry is a working group that we help ISP around the world to secure their network and to make internet safe. We work with a lot of ISP around the world with the national CERT, and we try to help them to make internet safe for everyone, for the end user around the world. And we work with more than 160 CSERT teams and more than 86 countries around the world. Also, we work with a lot of many security vendors and a lot of company and public sector and private sector. Team Camry is comprised of former of member of national CERT like me for and industry CSERT team around the world. We work also with law enforcement, and we do a lot of analysis for research, education, private and public sector. Also, we have a lot of community service that we provide to ISP in different region for LACNIC, for APNIC, for a lot of REAR, and we help them to make internet safe for everyone. Here, I will do overview about all our community service. The first one we called Nimbus is a threat monitor, and this is based in Kibana and Elastic, and we match with the NetFlow that partners send to us with our reputation feeds and control feed to get insight about their network, about all malicious traffic that going to their network from inside or outside. Also, we help them to secure their network and to detect any malicious traffic related to their network. I can listed here some service that we provide to ISP. For example, if there is any botnet or C2 or any Opera server or honeypot access to their from their network or to their network, and help them to secure their network. Also, next service is unwanted traffic removal service. That we will speak later today, and this is for DDoS mitigation and is based in RTBH. Next one is Bogon, and like MTS, what they say about Bogon, we provide Bogon feeds for free for all our partner, and this is the IP that should not be in the internet. And with that, to reduce risk of DDoS attack or malicious traffic to this Bogon IP. Now let's go in depth about the service ETRS for DDoS mitigation service. Here we're going to sign up for our ETRS service and how to sign up for ETRS service, how to implement ETRS service in your network, and the last one is open floor for any question, suggestion about this service. So let's start by definition. ETRS is unwanted traffic removal service, and fancy marketing name is community DDoS mitigation, and is based in RTBH. But let's go back about the problem that we are trying to help. Traditional DDoS mitigation work on filtering, scrambling, dropping, or blocking at the victim side. I mean by that if you are facing DDoS attack, you will start by doing access list or dropping traffic in the endpoint of your server or router or something like that. For ETRS, it's work from the source of the attack by pushing advertising related to IP address that target by the DOS attack. And with that, we help and save the entire internet. Another definition about DDoS. DDoS is the mean distribution deny of service, and it's an attack against one or more network resources designed to deny that resource from providing normal service. DDoS can be via amplification DDoS attack, and a lot of malicious actor can use that for DDoS attack using open EDP service like open DNS service, open NTP, Sharjan, and other service. And also amplification DOS attack based on some stats is rank number 1 in Myanmar, and they are facing the DOS attack using some open EDP service like Opera Resolver. And here we have a schema related to a map of a small internet, and you can see here we have some client or customer and trying to reach this website. And now you can see here a botnet or let's say amplification DDoS attack that targeting this website, and you can see here that will be a lot of traffic going from this spot to this website, and with that it will make this server unavailable to the whole internet, and also can impact even the whole network of the target as number. And for the how to mitigate the SaaS attack and traditional method, building access list in your border router sometimes don't scale all across multiple border router, and sometimes the attack is from thousands of source IP, and those don't scale using access list because it consuming a lot of resources, and sometimes your transit link is already congested and impact more your network. It means by that it will not impact only the target IP, but your entire network will be target and can make your network down. Also, have someone announce your router and have them scrap filter the traffic. This work then the vendor has big and more pipe than you to can handle this amount of traffic that targeting the target server or router or network by this DDoS attack. Now let's move to remote regular black hole. It's a special specification with your transit provider or peering partner, and using PGP signal to your peer that you want to drop traffic to a specific address in your network. And also, this specific address is the target of the DOS attack. It's like pushing the problem from your side to your upstream. And your transit upstream now absorbing the DDoS traffic, and sometimes your upstream will be suffered from this DDoS attack if you don't have a big pipe to handle all this traffic. This idea is work pretty good, but if you have more than one transit, one peering, maybe don't scale very well. And here we have an example of remote trigger black hole, and we can see here let's say here your transit and this remote trigger black hole, and also you can see here the traffic is not coming to your server, but we still have attack from other network that's still reaching your server, and maybe can impact the whole network, and can service not accessible worldwide. And we could tell more than 1,000 network to drop traffic. We don't want with only one PGP announcement. That will be easy with ETRS, with the service that we provide no cost to all our community. And the ETRS is based in RTBH and the SCAL. And the Team CYMRU as a trust partner receive your request to drop this traffic. TC validate the request that this IP or this network is belong to you. And after that, Team CYMRU sends this request out to 1,000 of other ETRS members to drop this traffic from the source. And the dropping is instantly after you advertise the target IP. And also the target IP can be a single IP/32 or prefix/25. And here, an example, we say about remote trigger black hole, and here we come ETRS service that we provide to our partner. After you advertise the target IP, Team CYMRU will check the IP and network, and after that, it will advertise to worldwide. And also for ETRS, we have about 1,500 as number participant to ETRS to drop this traffic from the source. Let me return back again. You can see we received the advertise, and after that, we advertise to all our ETRS member, and with that, it will reduce the impact of ETRS to your network and make your network more stable than before. Also, now we are using ETRS version 2.0. Good thing that before, with the old version, we can advertise only /32 IPv4. Now we can advertise /25 for IPv4. Also, we have multiple redundant root server, geographic diversity, and with that we'll make better peering for all our partners. Also, we think that we can support IPv6 and we can accept /49 IPv6, and also the new version accepts flow spec. And also we do RPKI validation to all our partners to add a new level of the check related to IP prefix that partners send to us. Also, we increase, as I say, we increase the prefix from /32 to 25. With that, it help us and help partner by allowing to advertise /25 to reduce the impact of carpet bombing. Why? Because some DDoS attack, they don't target only one IP, but sometimes they target the full network or slash 25, 26. And with that, it will be easy for partners to reduce the impact of the DDoS attack, not only to IP, but to make your network more stable during the DDoS attack. And also, it make align better with the router acceptance boundary for flow spec. Also, we have a multiple geographic router around the world, and with that to increase the redundancy of our service worldwide and the reliability of the service. And also, we have multiple server in different region. We have some server in LACNIC partner, in APNIC partner, and with that we have a good presence in the Asia, South Asia country. Also, most of the DDoS attack, they are targeting IPv4 network, but we are seeing now some DDoS attack targeting IPv6. That's why the new TLS service accept IPv6 prefix /49, and also we can pair with IPv6 IP. With that, will make easy for us to migrate from IPv4 to IPv6. Also, you can see the growing of IPv6 worldwide. That's why the new service accept IPv6 support. Now let's go in depth related to flow spec. And the flow spec is a granularity for the removal of unwanted traffic. Why? Because we can make some rules to accept only TCP, UDP, to drop a specific type of traffic to a target IP. Also, we can, for example, a lot of partners that they drop any traffic related to EDP protocol. Why? Because as you know, a lot of amplification DDoS attack or all amplification DDoS attack, they are using EDP service. That's why flow spec make life easy for all network administration related to data targeting their network. Also, we do RPKI validation, and this information is based on real information, and we are using digital signature for future validation of the authority of the prefix. Now, let's speak about the requirement to sign up for UTRS. For all our partners, they must have a public AS number assigned by REER. For the Myanmar case, it should be assigned by APNIC, I think, and must run a PGP router as a router in their end, and they need to submit a ticket to Team Camry with the prefix that they own and they announce, and they are well to able to accept PGP requests via ITLS and drop traffic going to those address. Here, how to sign up for HRS, you can see the link here to sign up, and we need some information. Also, we ask from partners to use the email that is already in Whois. Why? Because we do some check related to the network administrator that he sent this request by email. Also, here I already put the QR code for our ETRS service. I will give more time to people to scan this code. Okay. Next. Next, how to implement ETRS in your network. Implementation of ATRS is really easy. We already provide a GitHub page for our partner to configure the router. Also, there is a lot of specific configuration for a lot of model of router, brand of router. Uh, Also, we help them if they facing any issues how to configure their router for using this service. We already have a GitHub page, and here we have I don't have the link, but I have the QR code for our GitHub page.